Yes, my name is Borat. Today I go to Johns Hopkins University to interview Grandmaster of Science in United States NA. Chikiwi. Yes, my name is Borat. I come here to Johns Hopkins University to interview Grandmaster of All Science, Dr. Robert Schleif.
Schleif?
Okay, take two. Yes, my name is Borat. Today I come to Johns Hopkins University to interview Grandmaster of All Science, Dr. Robert Schleif. Dr. Schleif.
Dr. Schleif?
Yes, Dr. Schleif.
Yes.
Today,
Sure.
I'm here to ask you about your scientific endeavors.
Yes.
In my country, all science is based on your book.
Good.
You're a very famous man. High five. Thank you. So I hear you like to study binding of DNA.
Yes.
Please to explain binding DNA.
DNA is bent because there are some minor imperfections, much like you.
Oh,
You're also bent.
you made my mustache fall off, Gypsy. It did not even hurt. In my homeland, my sister, she also bend very nicely, but she is perfect. Very nice. So I also hear you like to study the nose of the Arab.
What?
The how you say the Arab nose. Arab nose.
You mean Arabanos.
Arab nose, yes.
Yes.
Please explain the Arab nose.
Arabanos. Oh man. It's a different name for sugar.
Yeah, sugar. Okay. I also hear you like brownie and ratchet.
Oh yes.
It's
Yes,
very nice.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I know.
yes.
Please to explain the brownie and ratchet.
Oh my. You come with difficult questions.
It's nice.
Yes. A brownie and ratchet is a thermodynamic machine
Yes.
to do something useful at a micro level.
Very nice. Last night I had for dinner a burrito, and many hours later I had a brownie and ratchet. You understand? Yes, it's very nice, very funny. Yes.
Yeah, it took you in one direction.
Yes, it did. One direction. Out. Yes, very nice. I hear you like to do a trick with the rope.
Oh yes.
Please,
yes.
please demonstrate a trick with rope.
Yeah, sure. Well, I'm going to put a knot in this rope without letting go of the ends.
I do not think this can be done. I'm excited.
You might be right.
It's very nice.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. You're a gypsy. Yeah.
Oh,
Very good gypsy though. Very nice knot. I like a lot.
thank you.
In my country, as I say, you're a grand scientist. So please to be signing my book for me. Thank you.
Oh, sure. I'm delighted to do it.
Yeah, it's very nice. Thank you. I will treasure this book for the rest of my life. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now she's got 3 color illustrations, not just 2. Very nice. I like her. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again, Grandmaster Schleif.
Schleif?
Yes. Shimesh, my name is Borat.